Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Brought to you by Southern Home Structural Specialists. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
And good Tuesday afternoon. I'm Storm Team Meteorologist Jacob Woods. We are in for potentially some pockets of flash flooding later on today. Definitely a stormy afternoon nonetheless. Could see some pockets of 1 to 3 plus inches, and so we do need to stay aware and avoid those flooded roadways if you happen to run into some. Temperatures actually warmest here in the noon hour to the early afternoon, and then cooling as we go into the late evening hours as more clouds and showers and downpours move into the region, so that rain chance up to around an 80% for that commute home later today. Futurecast is a little overdoing how much rain is already on radar just north and west of Birmingham and also to the south and east of Birmingham, but I do think once we go into the afternoon, 4, 5, 6 o'clock, some of these bands may start to set up from southwest to northeast, and they will be moving towards the northeast, which means they will be training over the same regions. That's where we could have some localized amounts that rack up pretty quick, above 2 to 3 inches of rain. It would take quite a bit of rain to cause any kind of flooding problems today, even in those areas that are vulnerable to it, because we haven't really had a ton of rain recently, so the soil is not way too oversaturated. We'll dry things out overnight, then we go into the tomorrow morning, another cloudy start to Wednesday, more showers and storms for the Wednesday afternoon time period, but should not be as widespread as what we see here on our Tuesday. So just through the end of today, we could have those localized pockets of 2, 3, even 4 inches of rain. Don't really take the towns and locations verbatim here, just kind of the idea that there will be some local spots that end up seeing that amount of rain today. And if you do, you're under that marginal risk, the level 1 out of 4 for the concern of some flash flooding. Down to a 60% chance of rain for Wednesday. Temperature is warming up towards the end of the week. The upcoming weekend, we're in the low 90s with only a 20 to 30% chance of some afternoon spotty storms. So overall, most people staying dry. That hot and humid typical August pattern continuing into that extended 10-day forecast.